Hi, this is Justin Ball, the owner of the HammerHead store and HammerHead Showers. And in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about a replacement shower hose. So, do you have a shower hose that is kind of short and stiff? Well, if you look at this hose, this is only 5 feet long and it's kind of kinks up. It's hard to control. Well, let me show you our 72-inch flexible metal shower hose. 72 inches, it's about a foot longer than this hose right now, and we use 304 stainless steel, so it's corrosion resistant on the outside. One thing we do differently on the inside, which I can't really show you, is we use a silicone inner tube. So if you're familiar with silicone in food grade, cooking materials, medical grade items, it's super hygienic. And another thing it does really well is it prevents biofilm, which is this nasty gunk that can build up in these shower hose lines. Most shower hoses on the market either use a synthetic rubber called EPDM or PVC. That collects a ton of biofilm and gets super nasty. So, quick demo on how to swap out this hose for this hose, because you may be wondering, hey, does this HammerHead Showers hose fit with, well, this is a Moen shower head, with this Moen shower head? And the answer is yes, it does. It's a very quick replacement. And the fittings that we use, they're brass connectors, and they're standard 1/2 inch sizes that fit with all shower heads in the US and Canada. Take off this end. And I mean, you can even see on this, unfortunately on this Moen shower hose, this is a plastic insert and a plastic connector. And this is a brass connector and a brass insert, so it's not gonna cross thread or split and crack and leak like a lot of these hoses are prone to do. Really easy to hand tighten on. You don't need any special tools or anything like that. Boom. And now you've gone from your short, stiff hose to a long, flexible, hygienic, and durable shower hose. So there you have it. HammerHead Showers, 72-inch shower hose. Thanks for checking me out at the HammerHead store. I'm Justin Ball, the shower head guy, signing out for now.